try me, I pour that fire. Got your note in my cup, and you're in my swisher. So good, I'm.
So we got 4 practices in, so I guess the simplest way to put it is we get 25 more. Is that how many we get, 21? So we have 25 more. We're going to probably have to use every one of them to get ready to play this first game.
Games so vicious, and all I get is cheese. Like it's taking pictures.
Said over the summer he gained some weight and he hoped it would help him with his arm strength a little bit. Hey, first few days, but have you seen anything out of him that indicates that's true?
Yeah, I think so. He's moving around better. His leadership skills are better. His communication is better. His arm strength's better.
Check ball! Back up, everybody.
Wait, what?
I like their mentality right now. We're trying to obviously develop some leaders, just like everybody across the country is trying to develop leaders.
Okay, here we go. Star right. Here we go. Let's go. Key drill. Here we go. Here we go. Ready to do the blocking? Got it. All right, here we go.
Wait! Set! Hit!
Woo! That's it. Nice. Good.
Check ball! I got everybody. The outside armpit. Go on. Go. Hit! There. Right there. Head on the outside armpit. Go on. Drop. You width and depth. 6-inch width, 6-inch depth. Go on. Go. Hit! Down. Good. Right there. Rotate.